If you're wanting to nail your next meeting or workshop, and I mean really nail it, then there's 4 questions that you need to ask yourself before you even start planning what's going on in the room. So the first question is, why this? Why are we even having a meeting or workshop? What are you ultimately trying to achieve? What would success look like? Why this? Second question you need to ask is, why now? Why's now the right time to have this meeting or workshop? Has something triggered it? Or is this just a part of a larger project? Or is it a regular occurrence? But for whatever reason, why is now the right time for this particular session? Third thing you need to ask yourself is, why them? Why are the people in the room the people in the room? And are there any people who are not in the room that maybe should be? And the last question, which I think is super important, is why me? Why am I the best person to facilitate this session? And as much as we'd like to think that we're always the right person, maybe for this one we're not. Understand your unique style, your experience, your expertise, what you bring to the room, and be really clear that you are the right person for the job. So there you go. 4 questions you need to get clear on before you even start planning a session. Why this? Why now? Why then? And why me?